Want to know how to identify every type of variable in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can master variables in Java in the simplest way possible. There are three main types: local, instance, and static. A local variable is made inside a method and lives only when that method runs. A local variable cannot go from one class to another or cannot be called as well. Next is the instance variable. This belongs to an object and every object gets its own copy. And finally, a static variable. A static variable simply belongs to the class itself, one state value across all objects. So every object can use this variable or value. So think of it like this: local is temporary, instance is personal, and static is shared. So once you get that, your coding will be super simple. So I'm just going to show you how you can simply see static, instance, and local variables right here through this code as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.